Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this 2020 on a 20 plate Tesla Model 3 dual motor performance auto with the performance upgrade. Now this vehicle is finished in deep blue metallic. For more information contact us now on 01785 899 417. To start off with, let's take a 360 degree tour around this stunning Tesla. Now looking under the front bonnet here, also known as the frunk, you can find extra storage space in there, which is perfect for those smaller items, such as a small suitcase or anything such as your weekly shopping. And then we've also have the stunning LED headlights on this vehicle, which are super bright and mean that any obstacles in the way are illuminated very clearly. And we also have the LED front fog lights on this vehicle as well, which is just that extra nice safety feature. Now walking around to the side of the vehicle, we have the stunning 20-inch performance design alloy wheels in the anthracite finish with the red brake calipers, which really stand out and make this car look extra sporty and extra premium. Now we do also have on this vehicle the stunning chrome accents, which stand out really nicely against this deep blue metallic paintwork. And we do also have as well the flush door handles, which are really smart and look really futuristic. Now looking in the back, we've got 3 spacious rear seats that do fold 60/40. We also have there a centre armrest as well with 2 cup holders, which means that it's perfectly comfortable for those in the back. We've got a lovely glass roof in this vehicle as well, which lets plenty of light in and makes the car feel super airy in the back. And we've also got 2 USB-C chargers, which is great for charging those mobile devices. We also have the LED rear lights, which as well as looking very stylish, are really functional and mean that you remain visible no matter what time of day. Now looking in the boot of this vehicle, there's plenty of space in the back for larger items such as golf clubs or those suitcases for that weekend away. And once the seats are folded, you can get larger items in there. So if you fancy doing any DIY around your house, that's absolutely no issue in this vehicle. And we'd also have as well the bag there with the charging cable for this vehicle, as this is an electric car and it can charge really quickly as well, especially with the Tesla superchargers. Now coming around to the side of the vehicle, you'll soon see the very futuristic door handles there. And we do also have as well the cameras on the side, which watch the vehicle when it's parked. So that means if anybody scratches it, it will be on camera. Now looking inside, we've got a really futuristic and stylish design. We've also got this lovely wood trim in here, which feels really premium. And we do also have the lovely black leather seats here, which are really comfortable, really supportive, and are great over those longer journeys. And we'd also have a fully electric adjustment in these seats, which is great at finding that perfect, comfortable position for you. So that completes our initial 360 degree walk around of this stunning 2020 Tesla Model 3 dual motor performance. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, let's take a look inside the Tesla in more depth and have a look at some of the technology on offer. Now starting off with the window controls, this is the button here to open the door, as you don't have a traditional door handle there. We've also got a lovely leather-wrapped 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel here. So you've got simple controls on here for things such as your radio stations. You can also change your volume, and both of these buttons are fully programmable. So if you'd like to change them and customise them, that's very simple to do, which means they can have completely different functions. Now the one on the right here controls the screen settings, and the one on the left does also control the volume and the radio station. And sat behind that we've got our shift lever here, which means it's very simple to choose between park, reverse, neutral and drive. Looking over at the central infotainment screen here, now this is how everything works in this vehicle. So you don't have any traditional dials or anything for your climate control or for your vehicle settings. It's all on this screen. It's very easy to use. We've got features such as our folding door mirrors. We've got our auto lights, auto wipers. We've also got our autopilot on here as well, which is great at those longer drives, which means that you can constantly be relaxed in this stunning Tesla Model 3 on the motorway. We've also got access there for our charging port, as well as seeing our percentage of battery, including our range. And we do also have options there to update the vehicle. We do have over-the-air software updates, which means that the car can be constantly refreshed remotely. We've also got options on here for things such as Spotify, and we've got our calendar as well, which is great for keeping track of things. And the Spotify means that you can constantly listen to your favourite type of music. We've also got some fun features on this vehicle, such as the toy box here, so you can choose from a variety of different things to do. And this means that while you're driving along, it just makes it a little bit more interesting. And we do also have as well the options there to watch things on Netflix and YouTube and Twitch while the vehicle is parked, as well as Tesla tutorials. So if you need to find out how to do anything, that's very simple to do. We've also got our games there, which is also when you're parked. That just gives you a little bit something extra fun to do. And we've also got our browser there, so you can search the internet if there is something in the Tesla that you don't quite know how to do. We've got our buttons on the screen on the right there for the front trunk there, as well as the boot at the back. You can also lock and unlock the vehicle from that. And we've also got our large navigation screen here, which is very clear, very simple to use, and means that you're never going to get lost in this stunning vehicle. You can also see exactly where you are. This vehicle does also come with the dual zone climate control, which means that both passengers in the front can be completely different temperatures if they so desire, and this means that it's perfect for those wanting a slightly different temperature to the person next to them. It means you can constantly be comfortable in this vehicle. We do also have every seat with a heating element, which means everybody in the car can be constantly warm on those chilly winter mornings. And then we do also have our radio there, so you can listen to the digital audio broadcasting radio stations. There are plenty to choose from, which means you should never be short of anything to listen to in this stunning vehicle. We do also have the wonderful premium sound system in this vehicle as well, with the surround sound. You've also got an intelligent feature there, so when you put the indicators on, you can see the cameras either side of the vehicle, which means you can see anything in your blind spot, which might be hidden from view. Also got a very clear reversing camera on this vehicle, which does also have distance guidelines, and that means that you can see exactly where you're going to end up. Now down here we've got storage spaces, which is great for storing anything that you want to remain hidden, such as your wallet or your keys. And we do also have under this 2 USB-C sockets, which is great for plugging in those devices and keeping them charged on those longer drives. And then once those two neatly fold away there, looks very swish and suave indeed. We've got 2 spacious cup holders. We've also got more storage space under here. And then if you take this out of the way, you've got plenty of space in there for things such as your wallet once again, or those keys, or anything else that you want to keep in there, such as parking change. So that completes our look today at this 2020 Tesla Model 3 performance upgrade. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you at Stafford Audi very soon.